movie, Do the Right Thing, by Spike Lee, where he played Sal, the pizzeria owner. And Spike is nice enough to join us now. Spike, thank you so much for joining us, and I want you to know how much that movie meant to my uncle, and I hope that you were happy with the way it turned out as well.
Oh, yes, I want to give you condolences, for Danny. As I post my Instagram, Danny helped us to make cinematic history. Do the Right Thing is one of the greatest films in the history of American cinema. Danny was nominated Best Supporting Actor for the role, lost out to Denzel and Glory. And this past year, on June 30th, Michael, Danny came to the 30th anniversary block party for the film. And the block party was held on the block where the film was shot. Do the Right Thing was shot on one block. And that's the last time I saw him. And so I was on Instagram this morning, and people were telling me that your uncle had passed last night. And so I've been in a funk all day, and remembering all the good times we had. And also, as you know, he was a huge Yankee fan.
Yep.
Love the Yankees. And just a good guy. Just good people. We knew we were doing something special when we shot that film in the summer of 1988. And his performance in many other films besides The Right Thing will live forever.
How did you know he was the guy for Sal, Spike?
Oh, here's a funny story. I originally wanted De Niro. So he didn't want to do it. I said, all right. So I met Dane. Remember that restaurant called Columbus?
Yeah, he was always there.
Always there. So we met there. And we had like a period we both feel each other out.
Right.
Like, is this going to work? But thank God that it worked. And it's funny, there's a pizzeria in Brooklyn today called Sal's Pizza. So I went over there and said, look, three slices for everybody, but you got 300. It's in Carroll Gardens, and the pizzeria is called Sal's Famous. So it's a big blow. And I know Danny has been, I got it. Some guy at Nick game, I didn't know who the guy was. Came to me and said, you need to call Danny. And I'm blessed that I got to speak to Danny like last week. So we had a very, very long and personal conversation.
Spike, I want to, I'm sorry to interrupt, Spike. It's Peter. I wanted to ask you another Do the Right Thing question real quick about Danny.
Yes.
That movie was so important for me as a kid to see in terms of starting to understand race in America a little bit, and in New York specifically. And Danny's character of Sal was amazing because it showed the complexity of humanity.
Exactly.
President Obama gave a speech in 2007 where he talked about how racism isn't this thing that we all think it is. We have people in our lives who we love who don't understand race and who have racism in them, etc. Danny, the Sal character was not a bad guy, but he had bad traits. He seemed to do such a brilliant job sort of straddling that line. How'd you guys do that?
The world great, and if I may say this, what makes Michael, okay, you know this. What makes dramas? You have to have conflict. What makes a great game has to be close. So here's the conflict. Conflict can be taken to the heights when both people have a good viewpoint. For example, Buckout says, look, Sal, everybody here up here in Bed-Stuy is black and brown, black and Puerto Rican, and you have no black and Puerto Rican people on the wall. Valid point. The South says, look, if you want black and brown, black and Puerto Rican on the wall, get your own pizzeria. That's where drama is. They both have valid points. And that's what made the film great. There was no black and white. I mean, not trying to make a pun, but this SH''T is complex. It's not black and white. This stuff, race is complex. And Danny and everybody, the late Bill Nunn, who played Ray Rahim, Giancarlo Esposito, who played Bug It Out. I played Mookie, Samuel Jackson, played Miss Fucking Love Daddy, John Turturro, Pino. I mean, that stuff that's why the film is still relevant today. Because this stuff is complex and you just can't get rid of it with some infantile solution.
Did he help you as an actor? Because, I mean, you're playing Mookie, you're directing the film, you're a kid at the time, you're like, what, 30 years old, 28 years old? How helpful was he? At that point, he's 15 years into his career.
I'm telling you, and I'm going to be, as they say in Brooklyn, I'm going to keep 100.
Please do.
Which means, Danny and I say this respectfully, please understand me. We butted heads sometimes because we were both trying to figure out where his character, Sal Frank Jones, stood. And because of the butting heads, we arrived at Sal, the final version of the film, which is great.
So how much different was the final version to what you envisioned that character to be?
That was it. But here's the thing, though. For people, especially people who know nothing about how movies made, you can write something. But once you're on the set, it becomes something else. Actors have to say those words. You have different energies between people. So it becomes a whole different animal. And that's what Dan and I, we have to work it out. I remember one time, there was a scene where after Sal took the Louisville Slugger to Ray Rahim's boombox, where he's supposed to grab Sal and pull him over the counter. And Danny said, Spike, I'm not doing it. And I said, Danny, you talking about this? Spike, I'm not doing it. And then it got a lot of heated. It got a little heated. And my first AD had to clear the set.
Wow.
Had to clear the pizzeria. And then me and Danny, we sat there, we calmed down, and we worked it out.
Well, Spike,
True story. My mother's grave, true story.
I thank you so much for coming on, and you know how I felt about my uncle, and a movie like Do the Right Thing, although he passed away last night, he lives forever. He lives forever in a great movie like
and
that.
Will you please give my condolences to Sandy, please?
I will do that. Thank you, my friend.
You.
Thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye.
So that is Spike Lee.